Gapster. I am back with another banger, back with another video today. I'm gonna be taking y'all with me to my hair appointment. As you can see, we got the natural coils out today. You know, a little puff, pineapple puff, splat you did. But now we finna go get my hair done. I'm going to get a silk press. It is July. Look at me talking about some damn July. Sorry, that's wrong. It's June 17th. We just getting in the summer right around the corner. I want to get tape-ins. I've been interested in getting tape-ins, and I need a trim. Like, it's been a minute since I had a trim, like over a year since I had a trim. So I'm going to get a silk press and trim it. I really feel like I want to cut it into a bob. Everybody keep telling me, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair. But it all depends on what I'm feeling in that chair, because if I get in that chair and I feel like I want a bob is what I'll be walking out with. So that's just that on that. So yeah, y'all just gonna come with me and I'm gonna vlog the process of me getting a silk press and a trim that is very well overdue. And we're gonna see how long I can get my hair to grow to December. Thank y'all for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and then your job is complete and we won't have no beef and we'll be good. So yeah, I'm about to go into my appointment now. We got the lines made out. We about to wash it. I'm scared. Wait, can I see what it looked like before you cut it? Take a picture for me, please.
It's like sit up straight, look up. But if you look any direction or you move, it's your real hair, not a wig, honey.
We don't want to mess the real hair up.
Back in the day, boy.
Exactly.
Everybody used to do this.
I want that.
I don't know how to do it.
But you're gonna learn?
I have to learn by practicing. You're gonna let me practice on you?
That's fine. You can practice on me.
Okay, that's not the response I was hoping for. But
You think I have too much faith in you? Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that. That's not gonna make me change how I feel.
y'all just let me do whatever and hope it come out right.
Heck yeah. I was gonna ask you if you know how to do finger waves on the phone. But I didn't want to do that to you. But I really do want that. Like, I really do.
Finger waves on a frontal.
That Drake album, I've heard parts. Nothing that has compelled me to want to go listen myself, if that makes sense. I want to see how it look first, though, because I might want to chop it some off.
You might want to chop it.
Yeah. You think I should leave it alone?
If you're going to tape ends, right, I think you want the longest length you can have.
Okay, so then we'll leave it alone. Because this is really what I'm here for. Tape ends. Who ball? Ball where? So we got the Yeah, we got the blunt cut in the cut. It's giving movement. Stiff well. Ready? Okay. In character. Let me know when to go.
Action.